Ah!
Okay.
Okay.
Pwede.
Where?
But then you can plant that one because it already got roots.
No, it's not gonna grow.
Why?
Mo grow din aning na
Oh,
roots.
mata oh.
It's depend to the eye. If the eye,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, maybe. It's only one.
Yeah, you can plant it.
Itanong mo ako na dyan. Dako imo lang. Punta dyan. Tanong to dyan. Hala to itanong.
Right there.
Nga i-plant ko na. Ika. Ika tanong to. Itanong ko lagi. Si plant.
Baliktad
1
pa.
minute lagi nih.